All right, y'all know what time it is when it's time for the get down. One time for your boy Swift Dollars in the building. Y'all know how we do it over here at the Shoota. You did. So y'all already know what time it is, man. We got P. Diddy. It looks like the end is near. That's right, y'all. The end is near. Right now, today, both the prosecution and the defense have rested their case. P. Diddy even gave the judge a compliment, told him he's doing a great job and he's feeling great. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to get into this in a little bit more. Y'all keep it locked right here. Straight Shooter Podcast, baby. Let's do it. All right, baby, welcome back. Y'all know what time it is. Like I said, it's your boy Swift Dollars, a.k.a. 16-Pad Killer. And, of course, you're tuned in to Straight Shooter Podcast on Maschine Mafia TV. That's right. And y'all know how we do it, man. This is a safe place for unbiased opinions based on facts. Where we give it to you straight with no chase, all right? Smash up that subscribe button, hit the likes, and click that notification bell. Put it on always so you stay in the loop each and every time your boy drop these videos, all right? So again, let's get back to it. Your man P. Diddy, with this probably bigger than the OJ case, you know what I'm saying? So P. Diddy, he's in his last days of whether he's gonna be a free man or he gonna have to walk that main line. That's right, y'all. I know it's crazy.
Believe the truth. You don't want to believe it.
I don't either, man. This is crazy, man. Like, I'm an 80s baby, 81 to be exact, so I grew up on all of the bad boy music, and it's like, oh man, just to think, if this man loses this trial, his family ain't gonna see no more of that paper if they catch him with this RICO, you know? It's a done deal. And Uncle Sam is gonna be eating forever off of the Bad Boy catalog. It's gonna be Bad Boy Records Government Incorporated. Man, what a fall from grace, man. That's crazy, man. So today, Diddy and his attorneys mounted a shocking defense where what they did was, hold on a second, let me show y'all something. Show y'all how I've been getting nice with this thing, all right? So like Diddy and his people, right? You know what I'm saying? Him and his attorneys, they decided today to rest their case in like 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So they just, you know, they delivered some new spicy evidence to showing him living large and all this and all that. But, you know, I mean, they pretty much said it is what it is. He's a kinky, freaky guy that's probably disgusting to a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? They got, you know, a little bit of class to him. You know, he's just somebody that apparently the government has tried to paint out as a criminal mastermind and all this and all that, but Diddy's attorneys basically just saying these are a bunch of scorned lovers trying to get some paper, and that's just what it is. Now, whether you agree with Diddy or not, that that's
stupid, guys.
I mean, you know what his personal preference and how he like to get down, that's on Diddy, you know. Now, a lot of this stuff we've heard has been disgusting, and there's been a lot of stuff that, you know what I'm saying, he deserved to get whooped and beat down by a whole bunch of people's fathers and brothers and cousins for how he treated their sisters and aunts and mothers. Yes, disgusting. But a lot of this RICO and all this and all that, you know, I mean, I'm kind of not buying that now. I think he might eat one or two of these charges, but that RICO, nah, I just don't see that. Diddy gonna see the light of day, especially after he tried to keep it cool and give him a little, you know what I'm saying? Diddy tried to show him some love and say, hey man, you doing a great, look at that, blowing kisses, showing love to the family, you know what I'm saying? It's just been a crazy trial. Shout out to the artwork lady too, because she been doing an immaculate job. You know what I'm saying? Got to give her credit too. You know, give her credit where credit is due. But yeah, man, it's just like, it's getting so crazy, man. P. Diddy really, you know, I mean, y'all tell me what y'all think, man. Rock with me for a minute. You know, y'all tell me what y'all think. Do y'all think Diddy cooked, or do y'all think Diddy got a shot? I think he cooked, man. I think he barbecued chicken to like I said, maybe the prostitution or something like that, and he might get time served for that, just for, you know, knocking a couple of chicks down and paying some bills. Like, you know, they gonna he ain't gonna walk away without a slap on the wrist, and then we still ain't heard nothing about these guns. So it's like, man, this is getting crazy, man. Y'all hold up one second. Check this out.
A smile and a wave. And today, Diddy waived his right to testify. In open court, he revealed it was his own decision, telling the judge, "I'm doing great, and you're doing an excellent job." Diddy spoke out just after the 34th.
You're going absolutely.
Witness took the stand.
Shine like this, they mighty blessed, but sometimes you gotta go through the dark to manifest.
Even as Diddy released what could be his final record, the Love album, Off the Grid, in September of 2023, a Homeland Security agent testified Diddy was still planning freak-offs and hiring male escorts.
I ain't gonna lie, it's like I'm living a dream.
Authorities say the proof is in flight plans and hotel reservations involving a woman only known as Joe.
Trying to prove the charges of sex trafficking of Jane by showing that Sean Combs was transporting her over state lines.
CNN correspondent Elizabeth Wagmeister.
This is their final witness. So it's not ending with a bang in the sense of a Cassie or a Kid Cudi. What are you expecting today? But it could end up being one of the most crucial witnesses for them, because if the jury believes that these women were coerced into sex and it is not something that they wanted to do, well, then they have the flight records and the hotel records to back it up.
So why did Diddy choose not to testify?
During his testimony, he could control the narrative, but the second it's time for cross-examination, he loses all control. There's just too much risk in that.
Deliberations may be just days away, and jurors have a lot of evidence to consider. From the just-released videos of Diddy enjoying his music mogul status on island,
like an old man right there,
to photos the government says are drugs, baby oil, and an Astroglide for freak-off, an alleged car bombing, and audio of Diddy talking to an anonymous girlfriend.
Oh, you crack pipe.
And of course, that disturbing video first obtained by CNN of Diddy's assault on Cassie in a Los Angeles hotel.
Combs then kicks her twice and attempts to drag her on the floor.
They will have hundreds of pages in front of them, whether that is testimony that they've heard, whether that's text message exhibits, flight record exhibits, and also, of course, those freak-off videos that they have been watching repeatedly through this trial.
Damn, Diddy. So y'all tell me what y'all think, man. We gotta run this back one more time. Do y'all think Diddy cooked again, man? They painted him out to be a monster, man. I'm conflicted with it, man. Like I said, you know, I've heard enough to where if he do walk, I can't rock with him. But I don't want to see no man in the penitentiary just because he's a kinky bird either, you know. But then again, he might want to be there. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, he said he's doing great. You know, hopefully, because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm tired of this whole trial. Period. Like, you know, I wish him well. I wish everyone well. All the people that say they've been hurt, we've heard their day in court. Diddy and them obviously didn't have too much more of anything to say because, like they said, they wrapped up the day in 10 minutes and said it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? We standing on business. We feel great. So, you know, I don't know, man. But like I said, man, in a few days, I think by next Friday, well, no, it can't be next Friday because next Friday, 4th of July. So they're going to bang that gavel next Thursday. You heard it here first, straight dollars. Next Thursday, they gonna bang that gavel. We gonna hear this.
Order in the court.
They gonna bang that gavel. But like I said, y'all know how we do it, man. It's your main shooter, Swift Dollars, aka 16 Pack Killer. And y'all know how we rock. Straight Shooter Podcast, baby. Gone.